I want to show you 6 points, key points, for balancing your thyroid gland and that you can use with others. So the 6 points are, and I just want you to know that all of these 6 points are windows of the sky. That is a term in traditional Chinese medicine. And these are points that open up greater mind-body balance and the 5th chakra and your spirituality. These points tend to get blocked as we grow older, no matter how old you are. So why not open them up? Okay, bladder 10, we pair that with K27. These right here. This sticks out right here because it's the head of the collarbone, and I just go below that, and oh, here's a bump here. You can feel it on yourself. K27. There's more uses of that point than any other point that I know, and that's why I used it more in my potent point book than any other point. Okay, I'm going to show you 2 points you might not know. The large intestine 18. So you go from your ear all the way down to the center, not the upper, but not the lower, but right in the middle of your neck, and rub back and forth like this. Yeah, to feel the thick, ropey muscle right there. Yeah. The sternocleidomastoideus muscle. Most people, it feels like sheet metal. So right there, that's the point. Now, if you are to go a little bit further out and a little bit upward, you get to small intestine 16. So that's also window of the sky point. Now we're going to use 2 other points, which is this point right here. So here's I can feel the bumps right here. Feel it on yourself. The head of your collarbone. Okay. And then go right in between, and there's a dip there. You see how I can go like that? But when we apply pressure on this point, you want to apply the pressure in this direction. Most of the points we go like straight in. You don't do that on this point. You go straight down like this. Yeah. You go straight downward. So you're not going into the throat. There's acupuncture texts that show, and I kind of think of it as a comedy, but it's really very serious. And underneath the caption it says, wrong direction, and then, it's like with a freeway, you're going the wrong way. Yeah, so for this one, please find the dip, the hollow, here, and then go downward into the hollow. So you're not pressing onto the bone, onto the sternum. You're bypassing the sternum on an angle going downward. And that's CV, conception vessel 22. And I use that point with the medulla. The medulla point is GV16.